I'm helping a friend renovate a house built in 1971. It's a single-wall redwood constructed home. In the laundry room, I assumed we would put the dryer and washer outlets in separate surface mount boxes. My friend had the brilliant idea to put the dryer outlet in the same outlet box as the washing machine outlet. After a little bit, we realized that the dryer outlet and the Decora GFI outlet would not fit nicely in a 2-gang surface mount box. After a quick search online, I found the Kyle Switch cover outlet for a 3-gang box. The web address is kyleswitchplates.com, and it's called a combo plate, which is funny because here in Hawaii, that's what we call a plate lunch when it has 2 different entrees like teriyaki chicken and chicken katsu. I ordered the outlet cover. The cover cost $14.95. It was shipped via U.S. Postal Service Priority, flat rate, small box, at a cost of $11.95. I then went looking for a 3-gang surface mount phenolic box, but of course I couldn't find one. We decided to make a box out of 1x4 pre-treated pine board that we had laying around, then mounting an old work 3-gang box inside of it. I bought this box and removed the mounting ears. I then made the wooden box to fit tightly around the plastic box. I also put some pocket holes in the inside of the wood box so I would be able to screw the box to the redwood wall without any screws showing. Here is the cover going on. It fit okay, not perfect, but looks fine. Pretty much no one will be looking at this since it will be behind the washing machine. In my opinion, this was not worth all the extra effort. However, if you have a double wall house and can fit a 3-gang old work box in there, it will make for a nice clean installation. Good luck, guys.